friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking cabbage on a frying pan. For this easy recipe, we need a cabbage, also oil for pan frying. I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil, or if you'd like, you can use butter or coconut oil. And seasonings of your choice, I'll use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So first, we're going to slice the cabbage. I'm not going to use the whole cabbage, it's just too big to fit in this pan. So I'm just going to cut. So this is probably about a third, and let's slice it and see. So this is a good amount of cabbage to fit in one frying pan. If you want to cook the whole thing, you can use 2 frying pans at once or cook it in batches. And before making this video, of course, I washed the cabbage and I removed the outer leaves so it was prepared for cooking. So now I'm going to add some oil to the frying pan. So you can just use as much or as little oil as you like. This pan is non-stick, so oil is just for flavor. And so I'm turning the heat on high, and I'm going to add the cabbage. I will season it at the end of cooking because if it cooks, it shrinks a little bit, so I just like to season at the very end. So now the heat is turned on high, and once the pan heats, you'll know that the cabbage and oil will start sizzling, and at that point, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-high. So now the pan is heated, everything is sizzling. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high, and I'm going to mix the cabbage. See, it's already starting to brown on the bottom. So now I'm going to continue cooking, mixing every minute until it's tender enough to your liking. Now the cabbage has been cooking for about 5 minutes. So I just continue cooking and mixing. So it's getting more tender, but it needs a little more time. So just continue doing it and keep a close eye on it. If it's starting to burn, you can always reduce heat to medium. And try it when it's tender enough to your liking. That's when you know it's done. So now the cabbage has been cooking for 10 minutes and it looks ready. I tried and it's tender and nice. So now I'm going to season it. So I'll just sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now mix it with the seasoning. And it's ready. And now let's turn off the heat and take it off the frying pan. Perfect. This cabbage looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. And it's so healthy too and easy to make. You will love it. Now let me try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Delicious. It's so tender, perfectly seasoned, so nicely browned, tastes amazing. This is a perfect keto low-carb side dish. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!